One lane road ahead construction zone in the last mile on US 250. Why would they take me this way? We don't even have the traffic light in favor of us, and there's the fact that there's no traffic that's this long is ridiculous. I mean, if there's nobody there, then the light should... This is the first car that's gone by in nearly a minute. And this guy's going the other way. He's had enough. This is ridiculous. My question is, why would you have two of these things so close together? This makes no sense. You got a door open, dude. Look at this. Get up. Doors open on the van! I wonder if he heard me. That ought to leave. Oh, come on. Now it's going to change? Seriously? This is ridiculous. This is maybe the most stupid thing I've ever seen. Well, and then you've got, of course, you got people that aren't in any big hurry, that we could have gotten a lot more through, but this is ridiculous. Well, I hope this time we hustle it up, because I certainly don't want to be sitting through another cycle here. 4:48 p.m. Friday, June 1st. Let's go, people. Look alive. Come on! This is ridiculous. Go! The clear lane is on our side of the road. So there shouldn't be any hesitancy at all. Bunch of idiots, man. And I'm glad you started this project when you did. Lousy.